Hey everybody, it's Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors, standing inside this beautiful 2020 Thor Daybreak 30DB. This is a luxurious large coach. What you're going to see has beautiful interior and exterior, and it's only available here at Gander RV and Outdoors. And since Thor Motor Coach, every Class A, Class C that you see on the road, 1 out of every 4 is a Thor. You're going to get a great built, wonderful coach. Let's start right up here with the bunk over cab, which makes the Class C's very unique. They have a bed over top of where the cab is. And this one here, as you can see, it's a large sleeping area, 500-pound maximum capacity. Got the entertainment TV right there, which is on a swivel. So whether you're seated here at the dinette or just laying down, you can kind of move that around. I'm going to move this so we can see the cab. This is on the Ford 450 chassis, has a V10 engine in it. You can see the touchscreen with the backup panel, HDMI charger, USB charger, nice plush cloth seats. And speaking of plush, take a look at this. So, where the kid's gonna sit, where the family and friends gonna sit when you're driving down the road, you have seat belts not only here on this leather sofa, which also reclines. It's a jackknife, so it reclines to a bed. Got your cup holders here, large window here, but you got a dinette with a big table here. Great space for eating, whether you're playing cards, board games, whatever. Got 2 sets of cup holders here. Got your campside bay window as well, and more seat belts. This does recline to a bed as well. So you could easily sleep at least 2 kids here, 2 kids there, maybe a couple adults. But this coach is meant for those long weekends when you want to bring a bunch of people and go have a lot of fun, which is why you have such a nice big kitchen prep area. Look at the prep space here with the retractable charger. Has USB ports, so you can plug in your coffee maker, your grinder, whatever you need. Got the recessed 3-burner stove right here with the glass cover and splash guard. And I'm just a big fan. I say this all the time. I like these grill style tops. Easy to move the plates around. Got the LED accent light, which makes a great night light. Oven here. Storage down beneath. Storage here. Got the shelves here, which are wood. Look at the solid wood construction on those. Got plenty of space and storage inside this 2020 Thor Daybreak 30DB. I mean, that goes all the way past the microwave. So space for days. Even have a spice rack up here. And if you need it, extra little prep space. This also comes with a 7 cubic foot fridge, which runs off of both LP, which is gas or electric. But as you can see, lots of space. So if you're going for a long weekend, you got room for your water bottles, your coconut water, your milk, juice, whatever everybody's going to drink right there. Storage up above. And the one thing that makes this 30DB unique is the double bunks. So you have a bunk here, which also raises up because there's another mini dinette underneath. Now this table does come out. This does extend. So you have a bunk up here, a bunk down here, 250-pound max capacity, which is great for kids, but set up to plug in a TV both here and underneath. So if you want the kids, or maybe it's the adults, the in-laws, you want them to have their own thing, you got it right here. Privacy curtain that goes all the way around so they can have their own thing, their own space. Everybody's nice and happy. We move over to the bathroom. I'm a fan of these toilets that are raised. I like how it's solid ceramic, plus you got the foot pedal here. Lots of prep space on this bathroom too. Brushed nickel, single basin sink with the fixtures, and a large medicine cabinet. Lots of room to put more storage in, and you'll notice they have these metal hangers all the way throughout. So you want to put your towels, you want to put your robes, you want to hang your backpacks, your running shoes, whatever, you got it right there. We move over to the bathroom. Look at the space. I mean, I'm over 6 feet tall. I'm not hitting my knuckles if I want to wash my hair. I'm not hunkered over. I got elbow room on both sides. Got the corner notches right here if I want to store my soap, my shampoo, whatever you need. And plenty of headroom, and with the big skylight, plenty of light as well. So let's make our way over to the master bedroom, which, okay, you might be saying, yeah, Chris, that's great. You're sleeping people up front, you're sleeping people in the bunks. What about the master bedroom privacy? Well, let me tell you, you want it, you got it. Yep, you have your own privacy door. So if you want to cut the world off, get your own sleep, you can. Nice large bed with shelves on both sides, including plugs and USB charging ports. Got windows, large tinted black sealed windows, storage up above, and over here on the mirrored wardrobe, I think I've said it now about 600 or 700 times, storage and space. You got it. This is one of those coaches where, okay, we got to go see the family a couple of states away. We're going to stay for a couple of days. Don't buy a hotel. Don't get an airline ticket. Come check out a Class C like this. Take the family. You got the room and the space and the luxury to stay for a few days. More space here, which you can also mount your TV on the back here. Got your connections there. So this 30DB is great for families, great if the guys want to do a hunting or a fishing weekend. If the ladies want to do just a weekend getaway, you need space for people. This is a type of coach you want to come check out. Now, let's go see what we have on the outside. Hey everybody, Chris Young again, outside the 2020 Thor Daybreak 30DB. Now, this coach sits on a Ford 450 Super Duty chassis. It has a Triton 6.8 liter V10 engine in it. So if you're worried about passing, picking up and going, don't. It's great. Got the oversized extended mirrors on the outside, large awning with the LED lights underneath. And if you notice, the slides all have slide toppers on them too. That really helps out, especially when you're talking about keeping debris and everything off of it. Now, you want to go outside, you want to go camping. Do you want to watch TV outside? Of course you do. Have you seen a kid lately? Of course they're going to want to watch TV. So Thor thought about that. You have your exterior entertainment right here. So you got the awning that'll cover it up. You want to do some entertaining, cooking, grilling, the whole nine. There you go. Got the wet storage under here. If you can see, it's lined. It's got that nice rubberized lining in it. So if you want to throw in your, fishing gear, your wet hiking boots, whatever you want to take them on the inside and get everything dirty, throw it in there. My wife always says, let's do the dirty stuff outside. When I come back to the camper, I want it to be like my house, nice and clean. Got the rubberized steps, which are lit with a LED light. So at night, when you're coming back, that makes it extremely nice. You're not going to trip. There's a lot of safety involved in that. Safety handle there, more storage, plus your electric ports right here. So if you want to charge your phone outside, hook up the boom box, whatever you need, there you go. We come over to the slides and you'll see these are the windows for the bunks. These black tinted rubberized sealed windows. More storage under here. This is great for like beach towels, fishing gear, so forth and so on. We come around to the back. You got your 4x4 sewer hose storage right here. Solid mounted ladder to access the roof. And if you notice, it goes over the top of the roof. Extra safety, extra support, tremendously great. Bedroom window, backup camera. And then we come around to this side. You got more storage because this coach, once again, is designed for you to take multi-days. I mean, look at the space in there. Got your city water connection, Santa flush. You got your sewer outlet connections, your dump tanks, everything's there. Labeled, easy to read, easy to understand. Got your 30 amp service there, as well as your cable outlet. One of the things I really never thought I would use a lot, but we end up doing when we're out camping, is the exterior shower. So nice. When you're coming back, you don't want to get into the camper all dirty. You're able to get cleaned off and not track that stuff inside of your 2020 Thor Daybreak 30DB. So if you've been thinking about taking those trips, going and seeing the family more, or just going and getting out, but you don't want to pay for hotels, you don't want to pay the expensive airline tickets, come check out some of these Thor Daybreak line of motor coaches. This 30DB is great if you want to take multiple people along with you. I want to hear what you think. So leave us a comment. Tell us, where would you take it? What would you like to do in it? What features did you like? We'd love to hear from you. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for hanging with me today. I look forward to hearing your stories about your successes in camping, and we look forward to helping you get there.